Welcome Study Smart Tutors. This is going to be a brief demonstration on how to submit attendance for ETO math programs. To begin, you will select Create a Session, which is the blue button with the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. You will then be prompted to select the date. In this case, we will say it was Tuesday, February 4th. And the session start time, in which case it was 9 a.m. You will then be asked to select the duration of the session. You can do so by dragging this dot across this bar to the appropriate amount of time. In this case, it was a 45-minute session. Once all that data has been captured, you will select Next. You will then select the school at which the session took place. If you are on multiple assignments with Study Smart Tutors, there will be multiple schools listed here. Please make sure you select the appropriate school for this session. You will then be prompted to select the program and the type of program. You will click on the drop-down menu and select the program for ETO Math, and then the session type for in school. Once all of this data has been captured, you will click the green start button in the bottom corner of the screen. You will be prompted with a warning that you cannot make any additional changes once you pass this section, so please make sure all the data is accurate before continuing. You will need to input 3 points of data: the name of the teacher, who you supported, the number of students, and their grade level. You will click on the drop-down menu to find the teacher. If you do not find the teacher's name in this drop-down menu, you can manually add the teacher's name here. Doing so will automatically add them to the list of teachers and will do so permanently. So please make sure when you manually input a teacher's name that there is not already an entry for that teacher on the list. Once you have selected your teacher, you will document the number of students in which you supported. So not the total number of students who are in the teacher's class, but the number of students in which you supported for this particular session, in which case there were 4. And then you will document what grade level they were. In this case, they were first grade. Once all that data has been accurately captured, you will close the session to submit your report. You will close the session by clicking the red close button at the bottom of your screen. You will be prompted with a warning that after this action, you will no longer be able to make changes to this session. If all data is accurately uploaded, you can select yes, and you will submit your report.